This might be one of the most important cybersecurity videos you would ever watch. If you're hoping to break into the field without any formal certifications, degrees, or even much IT experience. And it gets better. I'm going to show you exactly how I'll do it in 6 months, starting with no budget. That's right, I'll outline specific steps I'll take, focusing entirely on free or affordable resources. We're talking about practical, realistic steps you can follow right now from the comfort of your own home. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create cybersecurity resumes that stand out, how to gain hands-on experience, and most importantly, how to make yourself the candidate hiring managers want to talk to. So make sure you stick around to the very end, because I'll also share some insider tips on where to find the best free resources to get skilled, great resumes, and even practice interviews for free. So let's get started. Hello guys, I'm Tolulope Michael, entrepreneur, cybersecurity expert, and career coach at Excel Mind Cyber. Great to have you join me today. Now, you might be wondering, why would someone who runs a training program show you how to do all this without signing up for one or paying for it? I get it. It sounds counterintuitive, right? But the truth is, my goal has always been the same: to help as many people as possible start successful cybersecurity careers, whichever way I can. Not everyone has the budget to attend a boot camp, and that's okay. There are still solid ways to break into the field without spending a lot. This approach will not replace structured training programs entirely, but will give you a realistic path to kickstart your cybersecurity journey for free. So let's say I have $0 and zero experience in IT. What would I do first? The foundation is where it all begins. So I'll start with the Google Cybersecurity Certificate on Coursera, which often offers financial aid for those who need it. This course covers Linux, Python, and MySQL, essential tools in cybersecurity, and it provides hands-on labs, which is exactly what you need. But if financial aid isn't available or you want more options, you can check out Free Code Camp, Cybrary, and try HackMe. They each have beginner-friendly paths to cover security basics. Again, here is a bonus tip for you. Try HackMe as an entire introduction to cybersecurity learning path that is free for beginners, and it's fantastic. It includes hands-on lab that get you comfortable with real-world tools. Once I've completed a course like Google Cybersecurity Cert or Free Code Camp intro courses, now it's time to focus on resume. You'll be surprised how often people skip this step or throw something together without much thought, and that won't work much in your favor because your resume is your first impression, so you want to make it count. Now, since we're focusing on free method, I'd like to share with you a fantastic opportunity we've been working on. Now, how would you like to get access to create 5 fully optimized resumes, 500 AI companion conversations, 100 job listing access, company insights, salary data, and 10 personalized job recommendations, all for free? For free. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, a while ago, I mentioned that my team and I have been working on a project that is very dear to me, and I would like you to benefit from that. It's called Lightfall, and once you create your profile on the platform, you get free access to all of that and even get to do a mock interview for free. The idea behind Lightfall is to have a platform that takes you straight from learning to earning without missing a beat. And the best part is, it's not just for cybersecurity folks. Whatever career path you are on, Lightfall caters to your needs too. Trust me, you want to check it out. I'll be adding the link to the website in the comment section below, so get to work. So one question I get often is, when should I start applying for jobs? And my answer is, as soon as you've completed at least one cybersecurity course and you can confidently list some skills on your resume. Look, you don't need to feel 100% ready. As a matter of fact, you will never be 100% ready. The job search itself is a learning experience. Even if the Google Cybersecurity Cert or Free Code Camp courses are all you have, start applying to roles like Security Operations Center Analyst, popularly known as SOC Analyst, or IT Security Specialist. You may not land a job immediately. Applying early helps you understand what companies are looking for. Here is a secret. Employers often need entry-level candidates who bring a fresh perspective. You bring that by being proactive. And this is where the numbers game comes in. Apply to at least 5 jobs every day. Remember, 2 people with the same qualifications have different results because one person applies to 3 jobs and other applies to 300 jobs. Consistency is key here. Now, we've spoken about how you will get a standard resume and how frequently you should apply. So what skill sets should you actively be working on or developing? Cybersecurity has many branches like risk assessment, vulnerability management, ethical hacking, and knowing where to focus can feel overwhelming. So, the approach I'll take here is to build generalist skills first. You can refine and specialize later. FreeCodeCamp, TryHackMe, and Cybery all offer paths for developing broad skills, but a hidden gem here is OpenCourseWare. They have an entire library on computer science, which include relevant materials for cybersecurity fundamentals. So this approach gives you the flexibility to pivot into a variety of cybersecurity roles because you will have a foundational understanding of different areas. So by focusing on generalist skills, you're setting yourself up for success with small to medium-sized companies. Larger companies can afford to hire specialists, but smaller companies, they need someone who can wear multiple hats. And this approach will open more job opportunities for you. By now, we're about 2 to 3 months into this journey. At this point, you should add vulnerability management to your resume. There are free ways to get this experience as well. For example, Qualys offers free online training in vulnerability management. In Qualys' free course, you will get an introduction to the tools you'll be expected to know, like vulnerability scanners. Now, the training might only take a week or two, but it will give you practical exposure to a key area in cybersecurity. Once you're done, list this training on your resume to show employers that you're familiar with industry standard tools. Just one line is enough to make a big difference. If you get this far on this 6-month journey, you should be fairly confident in your resume and foundational knowledge. So, we're going back to TryHackMe again. Like I said earlier, they offer more advanced labs that will let you try your hands at real-world cases, and this is absolutely necessary. This time around, you should focus on the SOC Level 1 in TryHackMe, which is specifically designed to teach you the skills needed in a security operations center. You will learn to analyze and respond to security incidents, skills that directly translate to entry-level roles. These steps should take about 1 or 2 months, and by the end, you would have a new layer of skills to add to your resume. If you're like most people breaking into cybersecurity, you're probably wondering how to add real-world experience to your resume. That is where virtual internships come in. Platforms like Forage offer short internships from big-name companies. Each one only takes a few hours, and they allow you to complete real-world projects that you can list on your resume. Virtual internships from companies like Forage also give you exposure to actual cybersecurity tasks without requiring any payments. For each project you complete, add a bullet point to your resume describing what you did. And trust me, this makes a huge difference. With 4 to 5 months behind us, we're nearing the end of our journey, and this is where intermediate level training comes in. At this stage, you want to look at free courses that push you into a deeper understanding of cybersecurity. You can continue on TryHackMe with SOC 2 Labs or check out Blue Team Labs. They're online, okay? And they offer free resources to help you strengthen your cybersecurity skills even further. This approach builds your resume layer by layer, and the additional skills will boost your confidence for interviews. You're also likely to attract recruiters looking for candidates who are proactive and they're committed to self-learning. Don't forget to check out that link to Lightforth for free access to interview practice. Now, before we wrap up, here is my final tip. Network without spending a cent. Go to meetup.com and look for local cybersecurity events in your area. Check out free events like B-site conferences or join cybersecurity forums online to connect with others. A great thing about cybersecurity events is that they are often attended by people who love to help newcomers. You may even meet someone who can help land job opportunities. So don't forget to connect, and you also have to offer value as well. Alright guys, there you have it. You are equipped with a roadmap that will get you job ready in 6 months without paying a dime for boot camps or pricey programs. It won't be easy, but if you stick to these steps and keep building skills, your hard work will pay off eventually. Mentioned in this video, linked below, so don't miss out on them. If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more and check out other videos to help you on your journey. I hope I'm leaving you today better than I met you. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.